and I am taking this most difficult decision today of my life probably. You thought no one would be here?
Yeah, I was expecting so many paneer dishes waiting over you. Not there. Can you see the spot?
Bro knows the spot. Humping with each other. They make so much noise. But look what happened in our Airbnb. What's up guys, what's up? Welcome to a new vlog and happy new year to everyone. I hope that 2025 is going to be amazing for everyone. I hope, no, it is going to be amazing. I celebrated my new years with my buddies, with my homies in South Goa. And we're going out for our first run even though I don't feel like going for my run at all. My IBS has triggered and all the food which I've been eating outside isn't suiting my system. We're going to do what we're going to do. The rhythm slept on the floor and because of that even he isn't feeling well. We decided to stop our run at 2.5 kilometers. And my brain is like, oh my god, 2.5 is so less. What is your Strava gonna say? And I am taking this most difficult decision today of my life probably to run every day from today. I want to try this streak for 365 days. And the reason why I'm doing it is because I don't wake up every day early morning. So just to set the morning waking up habit, I'm taking this challenge to just move. Doesn't matter what distance, what speed, it's just about waking up and going out.
What time?
Can be 2 minutes run as well.
2 minute run nahi hua.
Excuse me, say that to Usain Bolt, okay?
Sorry, apologies.
So day 1 starts today, Jan 1, 2025. And I told you guys that 25 is meant for more epic things. So this is going to be my epic thing. Do you think I can do it?
Of course.
I have to remind myself that I am not like others and I cannot be eating every day outside when I'm on vacation.
Did you have any curd? Did you have any fiber? Did you have any fruits after that? No.
No!
We are going to do reflections of 2024 and New Year 2025 resolutions.
Why are we talking about 2024?
It's important.
Multiple things which I did in 2024 which I don't want to continue in 2025, which is consuming more and creating less. In 25 I want to create more and consume less. 2024 I compared myself with a lot of people. I compared my journey with other creators or influencers. That I don't want to do. I don't want to check how much views I'm getting, how much engagement I'm getting. Like I know it's important when you create reels, but sometimes the analytics can go in your brain.
Mess up with your brain.
Sorry. And 2024 was me being lazy, even though I did the most exciting things in my year. The last 3 months I was unproductive. So in 2025 my goal is to be productive and leave my house very often. Record more outside and learn a new skill. I know it sounds stupid and it's cliche that everyone says that you should learn new skill, but I finally understood that your brain rots if you're not learning something new. So maybe learning a sport or learning a language is what I'm going to do this year. I want to get a LASIK surgery done. I'm done wearing lens every morning.
That is to upgrade a phone, get a LASIK. I have to get a transplant done. So we need to hustle more and make more money so we can do those things.
And I want to save up more money. Like
I want to travel international, especially badly. I want to travel international. I'm done traveling to Goa and Manali and all these places in India. I love India. I would love to explore more of India, and I will. I have all my life, but now I feel like I desperately want to travel to a country outside India, especially before I turn 30. I don't want to be that guy who travels to other countries after they have turned 30. Like, हाँ नहीं बहुत time है, जिंदगी बहुत है, अभी कमाते हैं नहीं. No, I want to travel international this year. Even if it is fucking Bhutan or Sri Lanka or Nepal, even like it's like just crossing one border. I want to chapa on my passport.
Yeah, same.
That has bullied me to get a passport, and now I want to use that passport.
I have made my passport in 2019 guys and I do not have a single stamp on it. And my father had taunted me after 2 years, "Arey ye to khali hai." And I said, "Papa, COVID tha tabhi." So yeah, I think 2025 is meant for us to take an international trip. I feel a lot of things are going to happen this year. The number itself sounds so positive.
You may never know, we might be Sri Lanka in Feb.
We are going to Cabo de Rama beach. I've heard so much about this beach and I've never visited, so pretty excited. I am feeling so sleepy. Need a coffee, but I don't think I'm gonna get a coffee now. We are at Cabo de Rama. It took us 40 minutes. But the ride was beautiful. And it is pretty crowded. You thought no one would be here?
Yeah, I was expecting so many paneer dishes waiting over you. Not there.
Please, Brandon, show us the spot.
The spot. Can you see the spot?
Bro knows the spot. This beach is pretty crowded. I think it's because of 1st of Jan. I mean, for South Goa it's crowded, yeah. North Goa is always crowded. Anyways, it's very pretty. It's giving me Bali and Thailand vibes. I love it. I love Cabo de Rama. The water was so nice, so clean, and we could go deep inside the ocean. Like not literally deep inside the ocean, but the water was still this level, so it was pretty good. See how the beach looks. Day 2 of the running streak. I struggled 1 hour in bed to go for the run. 7 o'clock I started switching off my alarm, and then by 8 o'clock I decided, okay, I'll get up because it's getting late. Started running by around 9 o'clock. Came from Binoleum to Varka beach, running almost 6 kilometers. And now it's 10 o'clock. The sun is out and it's hot. And I don't know how to go back home. I'm sitting at the beach. I feel bad that I did not carry my swimsuit with me. I could have entered the water literally like this. I called up Rhythm asking, can he come and pick me up? He's not feeling well. So I have to figure now how to go back 6 kilometers. The beach is so pretty. It's so clean. Unfortunately, our boy has fallen sick.
Due to his own mishaps.
What were the mishaps?
I drank too much. And then I screamed a lot in Skrillex and in the party and the days after also.
You drank after 10 months. Your body
Yeah.
was not able to handle so much of alcohol, even though it was not so much.
Yeah, it was not so much.
Like you had
compared
6 beer, overall you might have had 8 to 9 beers a year.
Yeah. That's it, max. Not more than that.
Yeah?
Maybe 10 beers.
And what happened because of that?
My throat is fucked. I've got throat infection, and because throat infection, my entire body is aching. That's my general mechanism. Every time I have a throat infection, my entire body starts aching, and then I fall sick and I get a cold.
Yeah. So Rhythm slept off. I went for a run. I completed 12 kilometers, and while running, I was like, this is so difficult. I wanted to give up multiple times, and then I realized I have to run a marathon on 19. So to keep going, and gave me double thoughts as well. Though the distance feels a lot longer in Goa when you're running.
I love how you are worried more than me. Hello.
Morning.
Cappuccino.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
thank you. Brandon, Sid and Tullu are at Palolu.
We forced them to go to Parliament.
Yeah, Rhythm's feeling the FOMO. They're going to do kayaking right now. I am not feeling the FOMO because they're going to do kayaking right under the sun. I want to see the sunset, so I'll go for the sunset with Sid.
Yeah, I'll join you too. I have to go for a run in the evening.
Can you?
I will. In the evening, yeah, I'll take some medicines, I'll take some drugs, I'll be fine. I don't know what Sid gave me yesterday. I was feeling sick the entire morning. I took those two. He gave me erythromycin and one more some heal cold some medicine. I slept off for an hour. I woke up fresh. I did 100 push-ups.
Sid works in his family business, which is in pharmacy. So anytime we call him for home nuska. Sid, what to take? What medicine to take?
He's like, why you go to a doctor? Just call me.
That's not a good thing.
I know all the medicine the doctor will give you.
There are so many bad things about this Airbnb where we are staying.
Thank you.
Wow. There are so many dogs. There are easily 30 dogs right under Airbnb, and they keep humping with each other. They make so much noise.
That is dog behavior. Why do you have an issue with the dog
They
behavior?
make noise in the night, in the morning. Luckily now they are sleeping. But that affects
Ah,
us.
Bashu sleep the entire day and then barking the entire night. 20 of them right over there.
This is fancy at 2 dosas and 100 rupees.
I don't know why you are living in Mumbai. You can easily live over here.
And sleep off by 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
All of us saw this place. You could literally feel the vibes. I told them I want to go to this place, no matter that we are in South Goa. And I read a comment saying that best Punjabi food in South Goa ever. You can see the food. The samosa was Karate House the chai.
Chai very tasty.
Very tasty. South Goa के क्या खा रहे? पराठे.
चाय बहुत अच्छी है.
Wow, one more please.
Rhythm is making me taste the chole bhature. Oh my god.
The best.
South Goa में खा रहे पंजाबी. This is the sign of true Indian. अच्छा है ना? Guys, please do come here. Telling you. Guys, this is the place in South Goa. Pure veg food. Yeah, after a point we were actually very tired of going to shacks and eating the food. So this Indian food is hitting differently. That's the reason we're like, oh my god, how is this so nice in South Goa? We've made sure to not miss sunset whenever we are in Goa.
मला टुल्लू ने एक लॉबस्टर मंगाया 2600 का. मेरा 4 दिन का काउंटर हो गया उसमें.
Veg food.
वेज फूड.
Yeah, lobster is so expensive. And after they ate the lobster, they were sweating like pigs. Just made a decision saying that this is my last time probably in Goa and I might not come here again for at least the next year. This is my 6th trip to Goa and it's become like a comfort zone, which I don't want. I want to explore more places. I want to go to Sri Lanka, I want to go to Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam and other places. So the only reason we came here again was Skrillex, and South Goa is because we love it's isolated. If you are someone who loves peace, calmness, empty beaches, can come to South Goa. Gatekeep this, okay? This is only between us. I don't want South Goa to be populated. I'm tired of Goa because I realize that whenever I'm vlogging, there are no new things. I'm not sharing any new experiences with you guys. This is the first time we stayed at Benolium, which is closer to multiple beaches. Benolium, Varka, then we went to Betul Beach. So this has been a good experience. I love how pretty South Goa is one more time. And I'm loving the food as well. I will try to put the places I went in the bio. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. Not gatekeeping anything from you guys. I won't be able to share the costing because everyone has a different way of traveling, right? So asking someone a budget about that trip won't be ideal because our stay was kind of expensive because we came during the new year, so you can't compare it in that way. But all the information is available on the internet. You can go on Make My Trip where you can check the stay prices. Booking.com is one more site where you can get good offers for places. You can ask the locals. Zomato is also kind of available. Zomato and Swiggy is there, but it's best to try out local. And obviously the vlogs, you guys can take recommendations from the vlog as well. This has been one of my favorite places in South Goa. Too good. Homely Punjab. Amazing. I love this about Rhythm and Sid also, that we don't judge a place by its aesthetics and by its ambience. We taste it by
I am not an aesthetic person. The better the aesthetics of a cafe, the food is
Yeah.
going to be equally bad.
Yes.
The lower the aesthetics of a cafe, the food is going to be equally great.
And Mumbai right now has all Instagrammable place only. We'll charge you how much for your pasta? Sid?
Starting 600. 650. चला उतने में मैं घर पे छालों खिला दूँ पास्ता बन के.
We are literally playing a safe game by only ordering dal tadka and jeera rice anywhere in Goa. That and veg fried rice. If that place is not giving you good fried rice na, khatam. Cancel that place. क्या मंगाया तूने समोसा कि चाट कि पराठा?
समोसा और रायता.
अरे वाह वाह वाह. रायता.
दाल पी ली?
हाँ मैंने कब बोला मैं तो चाय पी रही थी.
हाँ तो चाय मंगा दे.
और रायता कौन पिएगा? तो रायता चाय मिक्स करा पेट में.
हाँ. दवा लेके आए ये.
गटाई. क्या मंगाया तूने?
I thought there was a small quantity of रायता.
तो नाम क्या जगह का? जगह का नाम क्या? होमली पंजाब. होमली पंजाब. सोलो ट्रिप कब ले रहे सीट तेरी?
मैं अब कैंसिल. सोलो बिलो में मजा नहीं. अकेला पैसा भरना पड़ता है.
Facts. Contro में कम आते हो. ये imagine solo trip on New Year's rhythm. You would have paid so much. If you are coming for a group trip and you are not messing over the Contro word ना, गलत group है भाई.
पीछे ही आते हैं.
I'm going for dinner at what time, guys?
10:50.
10:50. Which place do you think will be open?
शबनम का भुलजी पाव.
It's 10:50 and we've left for dinner right now. Look how dark it is. We are in South Goa and we don't have the two-wheelers because here in South Goa the timings for Activa is 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and it's pretty dark right now. I started walking fast thinking that I'll come home and relax. But look what happened in our Airbnb. Look at this, guys. The tap was open. We will not say that who opened the tap. It was not me. Need any help? The people who are staying on first floor complained about us, saying that they're bringing all the sand, not removing all the sand.
Yesterday we bought the sand, today we bought the water.
Yeah. To clean.
We are going to the beach to the apartment.
Do not blame me for not cleaning. I'm the one recording, making memories here, guys. Last day in Goa. Sorry, should not be screaming. Last day in Goa.